Today is Friday, September 3, 2021. It's 9:15 local time. I am in the Pamir Valley. The reports concerning my escape from Afghanistan are totally baseless. I am here. We have had several meetings regarding the situation, no doubt. The situation is difficult. We have been under invasion of the Taliban, their Al-Qaeda allies, terrorist groups from the region and beyond, as usual backed by the Pakistanis. We have held the ground, we have resisted. The resistance is not going to surrender, it's not going to bow to terrorism, and it's going to continue. There are difficulties, but I have not fled, I have not escaped. So I want to assure you through this video that everything said to this moment, that I have been injured or I have fled, or baseless fake news. Best of luck to all of you. Thank you.